Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. We're at the very end of Charnley Road at the moment and we're going to take a walk down to the town centre and show you some places to stay in central Blackpool. We were on this corner because these buildings are coming down. You can hear about that in a separate video. These are old council offices and they're coming down in order to become a car park, which is going to be really handy. Really handy for central Blackpool and for the hotels in this area, because the next adjoining street to our right is Albert Road, where there are more hotels, and we've also got a separate video about that. So make sure that you have subscribed for the Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. Make sure that you've subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a like. So Charnley Road is one of the central streets of Blackpool. There's some quite nice lights and planting features and things down here. And as you can see, looking at the signs on the planters, the businesses all clubbed together and helped to look after their street, and there's some really nice places to stay down here. They're all independent hotels, privately owned, where you get a lovely welcome and a great holiday. So Charnley Road is one of the streets that runs at 90 degrees to Coronation Street. So there's Albert Road, Hornby Road, Reeds Avenue, etc. And they all run off that central artery. I'm trying not to cry as I walk past Grantham's. That was my favourite shop to go in. That the business is alive and well and trades online, but this shop shut. I think, yes it is, it's shut. That's just a pick up and collection spot. So there's a huge, Darfield Hotel. I bet they're from my neck of the woods. There's a huge selection of really nice places on here. Look at all that sunshine. They're all basking in the sun. I think we're going to navigate some workmen down here. And this is what's known as the Central Holiday Area. Here's where all the businesses in Blackpool send all the laundry to be washed. Wonder what the police are doing. Oh, curiouser and curiouser. Plenty of places to stay. Plenty of nice independent ones. Don't forget, if you're looking for somewhere to stay, to look at the accommodation guide on the Visit Fylde Coast website. They're all Stay Blackpool listed properties. So they're all accredited and checked, so they're all clean, safe and legal. You know, you're going to have a good holiday and you're not going to end up biting more off than you can chew. These here for the dancing, or are these a party? Rooms and apartments, families and couples only. Nothing is impossible. I think they're dancers. So then you're down to the town centre. So it's a dead handy place to stop. Dead handy place to stop. Even pick up a nice dress on your way past. here we are at Coronation Street. And the Hounds Hill in front of you and the Blackpool Tower. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look around, places to stay in Blackpool. Don't forget to make sure that you check out our places to stay guide on Visit Fylde Coast, and all of the money that you pay goes straight to the hotelier. It's not going into commission for people like booking.com, etc. There's Coral Island in front of us. Make sure that you've subscribed, make sure you've signed up, and don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.